absolute inequalities. All right, so as I said before, for this chapter 2 you need to know what is the meaning of the name. Absolute means modulus. Inequalities is one of the four symbols. Am I right? All right, for absolute inequalities you will have two types of form that you need to solve. Okay, let's look at example 1. We have modulus ax plus b less or equal cx plus d. And another one is modulus ax plus b greater or equal cx plus d. Okay, for this part, it will be divided into two different ways. Alright, either it is number 1 or number 2. Okay, let's look at what is number 1. Number 1 here is here. Okay, you have modulus where x lies. X is between modulus and it is less or equal to numbering. Alright, or constant or linear is okay. As long as it is modulus x, when it is less or equal, in your calculation you need to use n, alright, as the symbol. How about category number 2? When you have x inside the modulus, it is greater or equal to anything, or either it is 0. If it is greater, bigger, greater or equal, you need to use union or small because this is greater. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer. Okay, let's continue with number 1. Alright, I give you an example. You have modulus 4 minus 3x less than 7. Okay, so the first thing you need to identify is your x, and then it is less, so it lies on number 1 here. Okay, so you need to use n. Where you put your n? So at first you need to divide it into two parts. First one is positive, second one is negative. We put negative straight away at negative 7, so your symbol will reverse. Okay, alright, because you already made the operation multiply or divide by negative. That's why you need to change this one. Okay, this one, guys, this one, a lot of students will make mistake at this. You forgot about this one. Okay, so now because it is modulus x, less than means we need to use n, so put n here. Okay, let's calculate first. So here you have 7 minus 4, we get 3. So x 3 divide negative 3. 3 divide negative 3 means you need to change the reverse the sign, so it is x greater than negative 1. Okay, how about this one? So you have what do you have? You have 11 greater than 3x. Okay, so x less than 11 divided by 3. Okay, so here this is not our answer. As you know, it is inequalities, so you need to draw. Alright, you need to draw the number lines. So start from negative 1, 11 over 3. So negative 1 is greater, so empty circle to the right. 11 over 3 is empty circle to the left. Okay, here is your use of intersection. The area will be between these two. Okay, thus our final answer will be negative 1, 11 over 3 in form of interval form. Okay, so that's the importance of this symbol that define how you are going to shape. Alright, how you are going to shape depending on this symbol. If you use the wrong symbol, your shader will be wrong and your answer will be wrong. Alright, let's look at another example. Alright, what do we have? A modulus 2x plus 1 less or equal 3x plus 2. Okay, first look at x. Either x is positive or negative, it doesn't mean, as long as x inside the modulus. So x inside modulus, the symbol is less. So when the symbol is less, automatically you put straight away the intersection so that you don't forget. So here we have positive 1, just same as the equation. Next, you will have 2x plus 1. Change the symbol and put negative here, so it will be 3x minus 2, or negative bracket, and end up you will get the same one. So here we have a negative 1, you have x, so x greater equal to negative 1. Okay, am I right? Let's check. Yes, it's right. So here, what do you have? 5x negative 3. So x greater or equal to negative 3 over 5. Okay, sorry, we still have space here. Okay, no, okay, I put here negative 1, negative 3 over 5. Which one is lesser? Of course, negative 3 over 5. Okay, okay, you have x greater equal to negative 1, means then circle to the right. X greater equal to negative 3 over 5, greater means to the right. Alright, so here you have intersect. So where did your solution intersect here? Your intersection will be in this area. So your final answer is, right, your final answer is square negative 3, 5 go to infinity. Okay, so as you can see here, either it is single for the question or double, it doesn't matter. But what's important is either it is single or double is your circle. Either it is empty circle or then circle. Another one is either x has negative or positive, doesn't matter. What is important is the x lies inside modulus, right? X lies inside modulus and it is lesser. If it is lesser, we will use intersection. Lesser, we use and, right? Okay, let's look at the opposite example. Okay, let's draw the line here. I give you example 1 here. What do we have? Let's have a modulus 3x minus 4 greater or equal to x plus 1. Okay, again, let's look at x inside modulus. And look here, the symbol is greater or equal. So that means you will need to use or, because we know that for greater we use or. Okay, or here. Okay, so let's separate it. Write down the original one. Okay, second one is put negative 2x negative 1. When you put negative, it means that you already did the multiply or divide by negative 1, so the sign will be reversed. Okay, so let's calculate for this one. You will have x greater equal to 5. How about this one? You will have 5x less or equal to 3, so x less equal to 3 over 5. Okay, let's draw the number line. Which one the higher will be on the right, the smaller will be on the left. It is double, so double mean then circle to the right, arrow to the right. How about this one? Less, then circle to the left. Okay, so again, this is the use of the symbol. We need to shade the all union, because it is union. Okay, the union of all area, that means the area on the left and the area on the right. So your final answer is from, right, from where? Negative infinity to 3 over 5 square bracket union 5 to infinity. Okay, union is just like when you have separate area, you will put the symbol union in between. It doesn't mean the same thing as the union symbol here. The union symbol here is the combination of all the areas involving. Alright, so okay, I think that's enough for me to show for these two questions. Alright, go back for this one. Our modulus x here is greater. Automatically use the symbol union. Okay, so you calculate and then we will union all the solutions. But if your modulus x is lesser, your shaded will be only the intersection. Okay, so that's the end. Our chapter 2 is actually a fun chapter. Alright, if you know the difference of each of them. Alright, so thank you and good luck.